Let's take a step-by-step look at how to install Windows 11 on an Asrock motherboard. Install a USB driver on your computer. Now format your USB driver. Then create your bootable pen drive. Now connect the bootable pen drive to the target computer. Now restart your computer. Then you need to continuously press the new delete button on the keyboard. Now change your BIOS settings to match my BIOS. Now click Save Changes and exit. Then your computer will restart. Then keep pressing the F11 button when the computer restarts. Now select your USB pen drive, then press Enter on the keyboard. Now find your C drive where you can install your Windows. Now select your C drive. Now I'm formatting my C drive. Don't do this if you have any important documents on your C drive. Now select your C drive again, then click Next.